Let's solve this question of NCERT. இங்க என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்க x plus 1 by x whole to the power x plus x to the power 1 plus 1 by x. இந்த பார்ட்டை நான் a எடுக்கிறேன், இந்த பார்ட்டை நான் b ன்னு எடுக்கிறேன். ஸோ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் a சால்வ் பண்ணலாம். ஸோ a equal to x plus 1 by x whole to the power x. Take log on both sides. Log a equal to log x plus 1 by x whole to the power x. This I can write as x log x square plus 1 by x. Now differentiating with respect to x, d by dx of log a. That is equal to d by dx of x log. This I can write as x square plus 1 minus log x. That is equal to d by dx of log a, that is 1 by a dA by dx is equal to d by dx. இதை simplify பண்ணிக்கோங்க. x log x square plus 1 minus x log x. 1 by a dA by dx is equal to d by dx of x log x square plus 1 minus d by dx of x log x. This I can write as in product form x d by dx of log x square plus 1 plus log x square plus 1 d by dx of x minus log x d by dx of x minus x d by dx of log x. I can write x d by dx of log x square plus 1 as 1 by x square plus 1 into d by dx of x square plus 1 plus log x square plus 1 d by dx of x is 1 minus log x d by dx of x will be 1 here also minus x d by dx of log x will be 1 by x. So cancelling these two. Now I can write x by x square plus 1 into 2x plus log x square plus 1 minus log x minus 1. This I can write as 2x square by x square plus 1 minus 1 plus log x square plus 1 minus log x. Therefore, it will be 2x square minus x square plus 1 by x square plus 1 plus log x square plus 1 by x. This I can write as 2x square minus x square minus 1 by x square plus 1 plus log x plus 1 by x. This I can write as x square minus 1 by x square plus 1 plus log into x plus 1 by x. This is the result of 1 by a dA by dx. So that is 1 by a dA by dx is equal to x square minus 1 by x square plus 1 plus log into x plus 1 by x. dA by dx is equal to a into x square minus 1 by x square plus 1 plus log x plus 1 by x. So x plus 1 by x whole to the power x into x square minus 1 by x square plus 1 plus log into x plus 1 by x. This is the value of dA by dx. Now we have to find the differentiation of b factor. So b is equal to x to the power 1 plus 1 by x. Take log on both sides. Log b is equal to log x to the power 1 plus 1 by x. this I can write as 1 plus 1 by x log x. Now differentiate with respect to x. D by dx of log b is equal to d by dx of log x plus log x by x. So this I can write as 1 by b db by dx. So d by dx of log x plus d by dx of log x into 1 by x. This I can write as d by dx of log x is 1 by x plus இதை வந்து நம்ம ப்ராடக்ட் ஃபார்ம்ல எழுதலாம். ஸோ log x into d by dx of 1 by x plus 1 by x into d by dx of log x. That is equal to 1 by x plus log x into d by dx of 1 by x will be minus 1 by x square plus 1 by x d by dx of log x வந்து 1 by x. So 1 by x minus log x by x square plus 1 by x square. Now take LCM. Denominator x square வரும் x minus log x plus 1. So this is the result of 1 by b db by dx. So db by dx will be b into x plus 1 minus log x whole divided by x square. b நம்ம என்ன எடுத்திருந்தோம் இங்க பாருங்க x to the power 1 plus 1 by x, x to the power 1 plus 1 by x into x plus 1 minus log x whole divided by x square. This is the value of db by dx. So finally, question என்ன கொடுத்திருந்தாங்க? We have to find the differentiation of x plus 1 by x whole to the power x plus x to the power 1 plus 1 by x. And we have taken the value as a plus b. இதை நம்ம differentiate பண்றோம்னா dA by dx plus dB by dx differentiating with respect to x. So dA by dx 1 by x whole to the power x into x square minus 1 by x square plus 1 plus log x plus 1 by x and dB by dx x to the power 1 plus 1 by x whole multiplied by x plus 1 minus log x whole divided by x square. This is the final answer.